Laundry detergent exposed. Sadly, this is where our recycled plastic ends up. And here's the scary part. Almost 90% of plastic isn't actually recycled. Chemicals in the leading detergent brands are chemically manufactured, causing allergic reactions like itchy skin. But there's a way that together we can solve all these problems. Companies like Truly Free have created a once-and-for-all laundry jug. How? By creating packets of laundry wash to refill using the same jug forever. Oh, and itchy skin? That isn't a problem anymore with Truly Free. Truly Free is made up with 100% non-toxic chemicals. That's right, this laundry wash has 0 harsh chemicals that cause allergic reactions. And it still works wonders on tough stains. Right now, using this special link in this video, you can get all of these non-toxic laundry products for just $49. That's over $100 in savings with 100 free loads. Choose less waste and safer clean clothes, all while getting a great deal.